In the heart of Texas, nestled in the vibrant city of Richardson, a unique home buying opportunity beckons those ready to take the next step in their real estate journey. This story features Cash House Buyers USA, a company that is changing the way people sell their homes by offering a straightforward and stress-free experience. If you own property in Richardson, Texas, and have been wondering how to navigate the complexities of the real estate market, you may find this approach refreshingly straightforward. Imagine for a moment the typical process of selling a home. It often involves hiring a real estate agent, preparing the house for showings, and enduring countless open houses, all while negotiating offers and hoping the right buyer comes along. This process, while traditional, can be overwhelming and time-consuming, not to mention the costs that quickly add up with fees and commissions. But what if there was a faster, more efficient way to sell your property? Enter Cash House Buyers USA, where simplicity meets efficiency. With this company, homeowners in Richardson have the chance to sell their homes as is. And when we say as is, we mean it. There's no need for costly repairs, updates, or even cleaning. You sell your home in its current condition, no strings attached. In as little as 14 days, you can receive a cash sum and move forward with your plans, all without the burdens of traditional selling. One of the most striking features of this process is its transparency. Cash House Buyers USA prides itself on offering what they promise. The offer you receive for your home is precisely what you get. There's no deduction for hidden fees, no surprise commissions lurking in the fine print. This transparency is crucial in building trust, ensuring homeowners are comfortable and confident with the deal they're making. It's a commitment to integrity that sets this company apart in the bustling real estate landscape. This no-obligation cash offer is a game changer. It gives you the power to know exactly what you can expect for your property without any pressure to commit. It's an opportunity to explore your options, weigh your decisions, and ultimately choose what's best for you and your family. By reaching out today, you open the door to possibilities, armed with the knowledge of what your home can yield in the current market. In conclusion, if you're looking to sell your Richardson home with ease and efficiency, consider the innovative approach offered by Cash House Buyers USA. Their process not only saves you time and money, but also provides peace of mind by eliminating unnecessary stress and uncertainty. Selling your home is a significant decision, and it deserves the careful consideration and respect that only a company dedicated to transparency and customer satisfaction can provide. Reach out today, explore what's possible, and embrace the new way of selling your home in as-is condition for cash, with no obligations and absolutely no strings attached.